Hey everyone, welcome to Mind Your English. I'm Vincent.
And I'm Kathy. Today we're teaching you how to order food at a restaurant in English, from the moment you walk in until you pay the bill.
This is super practical. Whether you're traveling, living abroad, or just want to practice English, you need to know these phrases.
We'll give you the exact words native speakers use so you can order with confidence. Let's get started.
Okay, you walk into a restaurant. What happens first?
Usually, a host or hostess greets you near the entrance. Here's the typical conversation.
Hi, welcome to Blue Garden. How many people are in your party?
2, please. Or just 1. Or 4 people.
Notice they use the word party. It doesn't mean celebration. In restaurants, party means group of people.
So if the host asks, party of 4, they mean, are there 4 people in your group? Just say, yes, or that's right.
Sometimes the restaurant is busy and you have to wait. The host might say, it's about a 20-minute wait. Can I get your name?
Sure, it's Rodriguez. Or it's Chen, C-H-E-N.
When your table's ready, they'll call your name. Rodriguez, party of 2. Then they'll take you to your table. You can say, thank you, or thanks so much.
If you want to sit in a specific area, you can ask politely, could we sit by the window, please? Is there a table on the patio? Could we have a booth instead of a table? Do you have any tables in the back? It's quieter.
These are polite requests. The restaurant might say yes, or they might say, unfortunately, all the window tables are taken. That means those tables are full.
If you made a reservation, that means you called ahead to book a table. You say, hi, I have a reservation under Rodriguez for 7 p.m.
Perfect. Right this way.
Once you're seated, the server will come to your table. They usually introduce themselves like this. Hi, my name is Alex, and I'll be taking care of you today. Can I start you off with something to drink?
This is your chance to order drinks first. Here are natural ways to order. I'll have water, please. Can I get a Coke? I'd like an iced tea, please. Could I have a lemonade? Just water with lemon for me, thanks.
After you order drinks, the server will usually say, I'll give you a few minutes to look at the menu, or take your time and I'll be right back to take your order.
Now you have time to read the menu, but what if you don't understand something? Here are super useful questions. What's in the Caesar salad? Asking about ingredients. Is this dish spicy? Asking about spice level. What's the difference between the chicken parmigiana and the grilled chicken? How big are the portions? Asking about size. Does this come with sides? Asking what's included.
And here's how to ask for recommendations. What do you recommend? What's the most popular dish? What's your favorite? What's good here? If you could only order one thing, what would it be?
These questions are totally normal. Servers expect them and want to help you choose.
If you have allergies or dietary restrictions, you must ask, does this have peanuts? I'm allergic. Is this vegetarian? Can this be made without gluten? I have celiac disease. I don't eat meat. What would you suggest? Does this contain dairy? I'm lactose intolerant. Is this dish vegan?
Safety first. Always ask about allergies. Good restaurants take this very seriously and will check with the kitchen for you.
When you're ready to order, the server will come back and ask, are you ready to order? Or what can I get for you today?
If you need more time, you can say, can you give us 2 more minutes, please? We're still deciding. Sorry. Just a couple more minutes, thanks.
But if you're ready, here's how to order naturally. There are several ways. I'll have the grilled salmon, please. Can I get the chicken pasta? I'd like the vegetarian pizza. Could I have the steak, medium rare, please?
All of these are polite and natural. Notice we use I'll have, or I'd like, or can I get. These are all common in American English.
The server will often ask follow-up questions. Let me show you common ones. Server will say, how would you like your steak cooked? You say, medium rare, please. Options for steak are rare, medium, well done. Server will say, what sides would you like with that? Or, that comes with 2 sides. You say, I'll have the mashed potatoes and green beans. Common sides are fries, mashed potatoes, rice, baked potato, vegetables, salad, coleslaw.
Server will ask what kind of dressing for your salad. You say, ranch, please. Dressing options are ranch, Italian, balsamic, Caesar, honey mustard, blue cheese, vinaigrette.
Sometimes you want to make special requests. Here's how to do it politely. Can I get no onions, please? Could you put the dressing on the side? Is it possible to substitute the fries for a salad? Can I add extra cheese? Could I get that without tomatoes? Can you make it extra spicy?
Most restaurants are happy to accommodate reasonable requests. Just be polite and use could you or is it possible to.
If you're sharing dishes, you can say, we'd like to share the nachos as an appetizer. Can we get an extra plate, please?
While you're eating, the server will probably check on you. How's everything? Or how's your meal? Or is everything tasting okay?
If everything's good, you can say, everything's great, thank you. Delicious, thank you. Really good, thanks. Perfect, thanks so much.
But what if there's a problem? It's okay to speak up politely. Excuse me, I asked for no tomatoes, but there are tomatoes in my salad. Sorry, but I ordered my steak medium rare, and this is more well done. Could you remake it? This chicken is a bit cold. Could you warm it up, please? I think there's been a mistake. I ordered the salmon, not the chicken.
Good restaurants want you to be happy. They'll usually apologize and fix the problem immediately. You might hear, I'm so sorry. Let me get you a new one right away. My apologies. I'll have the kitchen remake that for you. Oh no, that was my mistake. I'll fix that for you.
If you need something during the meal, here are common requests. Could we get some more water, please? Can I have extra napkins? Could we get some more bread? May I have another fork? I dropped mine. Could we get ketchup for the fries? Can I have some hot sauce, please?
These are all normal, polite requests. Don't be shy about asking. Servers are there to help you.
If something is really excellent, compliment it. This pasta is amazing. The salmon is cooked perfectly. Everything is so fresh and delicious.
When you're finished eating, you'll need to get the check. That's the bill.
The server might ask if you want dessert or coffee first. Would you like to see the dessert menu? Or can I get you any coffee or dessert?
If you want dessert, say, yes, please. What do you recommend? I'd love to see the dessert menu. What kind of ice cream do you have?
If you don't want dessert, you can say, no thank you, just the check, please. We're good, thanks. Could we get the bill? I'm full, just the check, please.
You can also catch the server's attention and say, excuse me, could we have the check when you get a chance? Check, please. Very casual and common. Could we get the bill, please?
If you're paying together as one group, that's fine. But if you want separate checks, you need to say, could we get separate checks, please? Could we split the bill? Can we pay separately?
It's much easier to ask for separate checks at the beginning of the meal, but most servers can split it at the end too.
In the United States, remember to leave a tip. The standard is 15 to 20% of the total bill before tax. You can leave cash on the table or add the tip when you pay with a credit card.
When you're leaving, you can thank the server. Thank you. Everything was delicious. Thanks. We really enjoyed it. Great meal. Thank you. The food was amazing. Thanks so much.
Let's practice with 3 realistic scenarios. Scenario 1. Ordering a burger with modifications.
What can I get for you today?
I'd like the bacon cheeseburger, please. Could I get that without onions, and can I substitute the fries for a salad?
Absolutely. What kind of dressing for your salad?
Ranch, please. And can I add avocado to the burger?
Sure thing. That'll be an extra $2. Anything to drink?
Just water, thanks.
Scenario 2. Handling a problem politely. Excuse me, I ordered my chicken grilled, but this looks fried.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Let me take this back and get you the grilled chicken right away.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Scenario 3. Getting the check.
This was great. Could we get the check, please?
Of course. I'll bring that right over. Would you like boxes for the leftovers?
Yes, please. That would be great.
All right. Let's review the key phrases you need.
When arriving, table for 2, please. When asking questions, what do you recommend? When ordering, I'll have the salmon, please. When there's a problem, excuse me, I asked for no tomatoes. When getting the check, check please.
Remember to be polite, don't be afraid to ask questions, and enjoy your meal. Ordering at a restaurant should be fun, not stressful.
Your challenge this week is to go to a restaurant and order in English. Use at least 3 phrases from today's lesson. Come back and tell us how it went in the comments.
Thanks for watching Mind Your English. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode.
See you next time. Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next episode.